Welcome to Mithun Diaries, a space for reflection, resilience, and rebirth. Today's podcast is dedicated to every dreamer who tried, to everyone who gave their art to something and still ended up with silence instead of applause. Listen carefully, you didn't fail, you just started earlier than success. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. It is the training ground, the preparation phase, the universe testing how badly you want what you asked for. If life didn't reward you yet, it doesn't mean you are unworthy. It simply means you arrived before the celebration was ready. So sit back, breathe slowly, and allow these words to remind you of who you truly are. Your comeback story starts now. Let's be honest. Failure hurts not because we lost, but because we cared. We invested time, we invested effort, we invested pieces of ourselves. And when the outcome doesn't match the expectation, the first reaction is self doubt. Maybe I am not good enough. Maybe success isn't meant for me. Maybe I should stop trying. But pause, breathe, look at the situation differently. If you were truly unworthy, life would not have given you the dream in the first place. Dreams are not random, they are direction. They show you where you are supposed to go. What if this is not a failure? What if this is simply the beginning? Imagine you reached the train station before the train arrived. Would you call that failure? No. You would patiently wait because you know the train exists and it's coming. Success is the same. You just reached the station early. And early is not wrong. Early is prepared. People only celebrate the destination. They don't talk about the waiting, the uncertainty, the breakdowns. Behind every success story, there are countless invisible failures, exams not cleared, businesses collapsed, rejections, heartbreaks, criticism. But nobody uploads those moments. Nobody posts the nights they cried or the days they wanted to give up. So don't compare your struggle to someone else's highlight reel. Standing up after falling is one of the most powerful human abilities. It means I believe in my future more than I fear my past. I trust myself more than I trust the pain. I am willing to begin again even without guarantees. And guess what? That's exactly what success demands. Not perfection, just persistence. Repeat with me. I didn't fail. I just started earlier than success. My efforts still matter. My story is not over. I am learning something priceless. Every step is taking me somewhere meaningful. Say this again whenever doubt returns. Every failure leaves a gift: wisdom, direction, maturity, clarity, discipline, emotional strength. You are not the same person you were when you began. You are stronger, you are sharper, you are better prepared. Success didn't reject you, it's simply waiting for the improved version of you. There is someone out there who one day will draw strength from your story. Your survival will be someone else's hope. Your rise will be someone else's inspiration. So don't quit now. You are not only fighting for yourself, you are fighting for every person who will look at you and say, if they can do it, maybe I can too. If you are exhausted, just take a rest, but don't abandon your dream. Pause, but don't quit. Breathe, but don't break. Reset, but don't run away. Greatness is often disguised as struggle. Tomorrow can be different from today. One email, one opportunity, one decision, one brave moment can change the entire direction of your life. So stay available, stay open, stay willing. Success loves those who refuse to leave. Just remember this: setbacks are not endings, they are instructions. Life delays things until you are ready to receive them. My journey is unfolding at the perfect pace. Every no brings me closer to the right yes. The future needs me, I cannot stop now. I am becoming the person my success needs. I rise again and again. Thank you very much for spending your time here. If this message reached you, it means life hasn't given up on you. So don't give up on yourself. Whenever you doubt, remember you didn't fail, you just started earlier than success. Your journey isn't late, your dreams aren't impossible, your story isn't finished. Keep going, not because it's easy, but because you are meant for more. This is Mithun Diaries, and your comeback has officially begun.